Welcome to your parent and student exam guide. Let's work through this question together, step by step. Today, we're looking at weakening arguments. This worked example is from gotestprep.com.au, Australia's leading online preparation platform for NSW Selective and Opportunity class exams.
Okay, so here's what we're looking at. Students who participate in school sports teams perform better academically than those who do not. Therefore, participating in sports improves academic performance. Which of the following, if true, most weakens the argument? Option A is students with better academic performance are more likely to be selected for sports teams. Option B is sports require physical fitness and a strong work ethic. Option C is some sports teams hold training sessions outside of school hours. And finally, option D is schools with sports teams often employ more experienced teachers. Those are all four choices. All right, let's solve this step by step. Our strategy is to find what breaks the causal claim in this argument.
Quick plan first, then we'll work through it together. Okay, so before the steps, keep the argument on screen. For weakening argument questions, name the causal claim first, then find the option that breaks the link between the observed correlation and the conclusion. Skip options that are irrelevant to the causal relationship. Let us pin down the argument.
All right, let's work through it. Step 1, spot the causal claim. Okay, so let's spot the causal claim. The argument observes a correlation. Students in sports perform better academically. Then it makes a causal leap. Therefore, sports improve academic performance. That word therefore is doing a lot of work. The argument jumps from correlation to causation, and our job is to find what challenges that jump.
Right, step 2. What breaks a causal argument? Okay, so what breaks a causal argument? The most powerful weakener offers an alternative explanation for the same observation. If we can show the correlation exists for a different reason, the causal conclusion falls apart. Imagine better students were simply recruited into sports teams in the first place. That would explain the exact same pattern without sports causing anything.
Right, step 3. Option A and eliminate the rest. Okay, so let's check each option. Option A. Students with better academic performance are more likely to be selected for sports teams. If that is true, the causal direction is reversed. The correlation exists not because sports improve grades, but because high achievers are recruited into teams. That directly breaks the causal claim. Option B. Sports require physical fitness and a strong work ethic. Interesting, but it doesn't challenge whether sports improve grades. Option C. Some teams hold training sessions outside school hours. That is completely irrelevant to the causal relationship. Option D. Schools with sports teams often employ more experienced teachers. That doesn't explain the academic correlation either. Option A is the answer.
Okay, so the correct answer is option A. Students with better academic performance are more likely to be selected for sports teams. Nice work following along. If you found that helpful, visit gotestprep.com.au. We have comprehensive, lesson-by-lesson courses for NSW Selective and Opportunity class tests, with detailed explanations so you can immediately target your weak areas, along with full timed practice tests that simulate the actual exam. You can get started for free. That's gotestprep.com.au. Link in the description.